Hey guys, it is a brand new day. The apartment search continues. Oh my god, I need to get gas. I just pulled up to this place. I had made an appointment yesterday to come in because with everything going on, it's just really difficult. You can just walk into a place and be like, oh, let me just see the layouts. So I am here today, hopefully to look at a few different studio layouts. I know they were telling me yesterday that they all have balconies, which is great. I think I value outdoor space so much that I want my own like balcony still. Plus I have all my furniture and everything else, and little Lee loves to be outside. So I want to look at some studios for sure, and maybe a few one bedrooms if I have time, only because I have a gym reservation at my apartment at 4 o'clock, so that only gives me an hour to look at these things. I'm a little bit early, so I'm hoping I can get seen quicker than my actual appointment time, but if not, no big deal. I did go ahead and bring my gym bag with me in case I do have to rush straight to the gym. I brought my pre-workout, my water, my headphones, all that good stuff. I'm hoping I'll be able to do my own tour, aka without the lady, because social distancing. So if I can, I will definitely vlog the layout, let you guys know what's going on, what I'm looking at, different styles. I am downtown, so completely different hood. As you guys saw, I'm driving here. A lot of homeless population. A lot of the homeless is in downtown. There's a lot of homeless where I live now, so I mean, I'm kind of used to that. And it is what it is, comes with the culture, I guess, and it's unfortunate. But this particular area I've had my eye on for some time, and it's pretty nice, I would say. Like very new, up and coming, lots of apartments, very walkable, and it's just a different vibe, a different environment. This isn't one of those like huge skyscraper buildings. However, I do want to go look at a few of those. I just don't have appointments, so I need to make those appointments. But today, y'all are gonna get what you can get, okay? See you guys in there. Let's hope that we find it, because I don't want to look at a bunch of places. This is the one bedroom. These are so cute. And then as far as like moving in, like what is the like deposit like?
So for a studio, it would be $600.
600.
And for the one bedroom, it'd be $750, and that's standard. Would be based on approved credit.
And then for pet deposit for one dog?
500.
500.
And
okay.
then pet rent's $50.
50. Perfect. Cute. So this is a smaller one bedroom, you said?
This is the larger one.
The largest. Okay. All the decor is so pretty.
You're good if you ever had a friend.
Oh my god,
The layout
100%.
is really unique, so.
Yeah, this wall is what I was confused by.
Yeah, so this is considered a one bedroom, but it has this sliding door.
Okay. Lots of storage. Cute. All right, I'm already sold. I don't want to look at it anymore. So pretty.
Do you like this one the best?
I do. It's very like bright.
Yeah.
Like the lighting and everything. Wow. My dog would love this.
Our balconies are really good size. Smaller one bedroom, so it's like a smaller bathroom.
This is a one bedroom. These my vibes. The lighting's pretty good. Oh, I love this. Very interesting. Ceiling fan. This is the one bedroom. Cute. Oh, they're all so different. Wow, okay. This is cute. So you said this was 8th Street?
This is Olive Street.
Olive, okay.
And this particular unit is available to lease, and
$21.46.
For 15 months, that's the best rate. And it's vacant now, so you can move in as latest.
Yeah, you wouldn't even need a gym membership with this.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, gym. Cool. That's so nice that you actually made an outdoor gym.
Yeah.
I appreciate the effort. My gym where I live now, they've been closed for a whole year.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah, we tried.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Why am I like this? I know part of my personality is very impulsive. Sorry for this lighting. I'm in a parking structure. I fell in love, you guys. I just fell in love. Like, it just is very my vibe, my aesthetic. Everything is very clean. I got to see a few of the amenities. I think I showed you guys a little bit of the gym. And, excuse me, I'm just gonna take off my Angela Roy bag. Links down below. But, I'm so excited, I can't. My mom, I can't wait to tell her about it. Rent here is so much more affordable. There are some pros and cons to, I guess, this place. It's massive, it's huge. I like single buildings, you know. I mean, this is a single building, but it's a maze. And the layouts that I saw 3 different units. 2 were furnished, like staged units, and the way that it was decorated was so cute. So it was nice to be able to see what kind of furniture size would be able to fit. I really love the studio, I really do. I like all the lighting, the bathrooms are very spacious, big deep tubs, high ceilings, 9 foot. I believe the top floor was 11-foot ceilings, but it's nice to have a base of just elevated ceilings, you know? So that was a pro. I definitely think I can negotiate not having a balcony and then having a balcony. I mean, I feel like, I don't know, I don't want to be a courtyard view again. Like, I want to have a nice city view, but that would mean that I probably wouldn't be able to have a balcony. So I don't know, but floor to ceiling windows, bright lights, like, it was just such a good vibe. So I'm feeling really good about this apartment search. Honestly, I feel like I'd be okay if I didn't look at anything else again. So there's that. I don't know, man. I gotta go look at a few more places just to see what my options are, and I need to not be so impulsive and just jump on the first thing because I'm in love with it. So I need to schedule some more tours and actually look at them, compare the amenities, compare the space. But that gym, let me tell you, I was sold. As soon as I saw that they had a leg press, girl, 2 squat machines, okay? I think they had a Smith machine and a squat rack. Literally looked like an actual gym, to the point where I definitely don't need to get a gym membership on top of my rent. Also, one con was the parking. You have to pay additional on top of your rent, and it would be $125 additional. Why is she always on time when I am doing something special? Hola.
Hey, what you doing?
I just saw that apartment. Well, I saw 3 of them.
In the same complex?
And oh my god.
Oh, how was it?
The gym is like a real gym. Like, so nice. They have 2 pools. One on the roof, one on like a courtyard. And they have the lockers that I have now. I mean, it's just like my apartment now, but with the same management. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So it's up to our standards, you know, how we like it, you know? So it was very our vibe. I think I could see myself there, but I need to not jump on the first one that I see and look at maybe like at least one more building and compare prices and amenities and everything else.
Did you see the 1-bedroom?
I did. I actually filmed it, so I'll probably just text you the footage.
Good.
Love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye. So, really feeling good. I was stressing hardcore about looking for places, and I don't know. I just don't know. The thing is, if I can commit to moving downtown, that's the thing. Like, I don't know. Change is good. So that's where my mindset is at. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tour show you guys some layouts and stuff like that, apartments. We know we love apartment tours on this channel, but I got to go because I gotta go to my gym appointment and I gotta get my pre-workout and everything else taken before, and I only have 30 minutes to get back home. So let's do it.